We are officially back. We are officially back. My name is Till. I'm the owner of Reallycuteco.com, y'all. I pack all orders live, usually exclusively on TikTok, but depending on what's going on with TikTok, y'all, I might be coming to YouTube to do my live packings. So many of you from TikTok are here. So many of you are old subscribers that have been following me for years and years and years, and then some of you have never seen me before. Get this channel back to how it was originally supposed to be. Honestly, y'all, there's a lot going on TikTok, and one of my first thoughts every single time something goes wrong with the social media is I should have stayed on YouTube. At least I could have been vlogging. I could have been so much further by now. And honestly, it's just a thought that always comes to my mind. So I'm going to try and do Sunday evening uploads for us and get a vlog up every single Sunday. Things have changed so much since you all last saw me, and wow, look at our growth, right? Reallycuteco is really banging. It's really looking really cute lately. I'm loving how everything is looking, y'all. But when I tell you it has taken me blood, sweat, and tears to get to this point, okay, it has been hard. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've done some things right, and some days I still don't know what I'm doing. That is kind of the name of this game. We have seen tremendous success. We have seen crazy sale months, and we have seen very slow months as well. At the top of the year, I took a little break after Christmas just so I can really focus on what I want my newest collection to look like and make it just simply irresistible. So this is coming at a time where there's a lot of drama going on with TikTok, and like I said, that's usually what makes me kind of come crawling back to YouTube, because YouTube is very solid. So let's roll it back to a little bit earlier in the week when I was in the midst of like getting the boutique reset for our upcoming launch. Definitely not used to. I'm used to all vertical content because I've been on TikTok for all this time, and IG. So hopefully the shots aren't crooked, but this is.
Our TikTok CEO just posted a TikTok video giving us an update. As you guys know, today has not been a good day whatsoever. It's been a very bad day because the Supreme Court ruled today for TikTok to be banned. However, the TikTok CEO...
Hazel says she wanted to. Y'all, I have bags and bags of stuff. So much. I have the weekend off. My friend and godson are coming tonight. Oh, that is... I haven't ate all day. I've been scrolling, watching the TikTok, all the TikTok news, y'all. I am vlogging though. I should have been vlogging. Literally just got everything cleared out of the boutique. This is the boutique office. Down there is our adorable little charm bar. Our launch is gonna be on Thursday, so I'm trying to get this vlog up by Sunday. We have a huge box of inventory to unbox right there. And I still have more coming in. My office is pretty small, so I have to shuffle around here. Right now I'm watching things about TikTok since TikTok was deemed banned by the Supreme Court today. It's been a rough week for us TikTokers, but I'm still a YouTuber, so that's why I'm back. So, I love this one. So we're gonna hang these, put these on the shelf. I think I'm gonna put this one first. If you all are enjoying this vlog and you want me to continue vlogs like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel if you've never seen me before. I like to inspect everything too, like when I get it. I love merchandising. That was earlier in the week. Today it's actually, what time is it? It's quite late. I've already gone live today and all the things. Is somebody? I'm so thirsty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at these adorable glasses that I got from Anthropology earlier in the week. Look at this. Isn't it the cutest? Y'all, my nails are half gone, so just ignore that. Okay. I want to show you all some of the things we have launching in our next launch and just kind of catch you all up. But we're really picking up where we left off. If you all have questions for me about like where I've been, what I've been up to, or anything like that, put them down below in the comment section and we'll do a Q&A on next week's vlog. I'll make sure to answer those questions for you. I don't even know what you all want to know. So give me those questions and I will make sure to answer them. But here is boutique vlog, one of many, because I'm going to be consistent this year. Sometimes I have a little drama getting things here, but for the most part, everything has come in. So I actually just got another box of inventory. So let me cut this. Okay. all of these beautiful pieces, and I have more things coming in, but I'm just trying to see like exactly what I want to include in this drop. So here are some of the items. Let me see. I want to just show you guys. So isn't this cute? Like with the little detail here. This is going to be our Rosy Posy top. It's so cute. Sweater. I just said, you know what? I don't think I've ever seen anything as beautiful as this. It's beautiful. It's not wool. It's not itchy. It's absolutely stunning. This launch is mostly Valentine's Day themed, so love that. Okay, so these two items, love it. And then we have this adorable Valentine's Day shirt. My favorite is our Love Me sweater. And then I'm still thinking of all the names for everything, but we have this really beautiful flowy skirt. I honestly feel like polka dots never really go out of style, but this one, so I wanted to focus on like getting some of the things I think are going to really be trending in the spring and summer. But this dress, this skirt is just so flowy, can be paired with everything, and it has pockets and it's lined. Cute, paired with this and some like ballet flats. Wouldn't that be so cute? Korean aesthetic purse. It's giving vintage, and then like one of my favorite things is like it has like a little snap. Isn't that cute? And it like magnetically snaps. It's kind of like hard. So I have this in pink and red. Literally so cute. And I did make sure that it was large enough to fit your Pro Max. I have a Pro Max, so I was like, it has to be able to fit a Pro Max phone. My wallet is kind of big, but if it's my Pro Max, my wallet, and I said at least one lip gloss. This is our lip gloss that will be dropping. Isn't this cute? Isn't this so sweet? So cute. Fits perfectly. These adorable like little ballet slipper zipper pouches. So cute. You can like put your cosmetics in them. Fold hair clips. It's like a bear. This one. Y'all know how much I love coffee. Carrying coffee mugs is like a dream come true. It's just beautiful. So much will be on the website on Thursday, y'all. I'm very excited. I feel like I have so much to catch y'all up on, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I want you all to please comment. Let me know what you want to know, what you want to see. I will be just vlogging like my weekly vlogs of what I'm doing in the boutique. Sometimes it'll be ASMR clips, sometimes I'll be talking, and I will just keep y'all in the loop. I'm just really happy with where the boutique is. It is really hard work, but it's just everything that I thought it would be and more, and I'm just so happy that y'all are on this journey with me. Like I said, leave me your comments down below or your questions, and I just didn't even know where to start with this vlog, and be honest, because we have so many little elements to the shop, like our little teddy bear, create your own keychains. Like we have so many things going on at Reallycuteco. So as we develop these vlogs in this series, I am going to be just talking about what we do here, our charm bar, just everything. I don't know. I just want to fill you all on everything, but I know I can't do that in one vlog. I don't even know what this vlog is going to look like. It's been a weird week with TikTok and everything, so I'm like just trying to give myself grace through this process. But I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Next vlog, I'm going to, like I said, Sundays will be our Sunday upload. Every Sunday. It'll be in the evening. I have to figure out what time in the evening. I'm definitely like 6 or 7 though. That's a really cozy time to watch YouTube, I feel like, in Sunday evening. So I want to do my Sunday evening. Next thing that we're going to do is I am going to beg my husband to put these curtains up because I want curtains on each side of the window in here, just to add some softness to the room. Like, we have our wallpaper, which I love, but I want to add like these pink curtains. They were really cheap on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure they'll look fine because it's basically, I'm just like creating a set. So that, and then I got this really cheap golden curtain rod. So next vlog, you'll see the addition to this. And I'm always trying to do like little cute things in the boutique just to make it cuter. So I need to get some little ties for this, like tie backs. I forgot those, but I want to get like some cute ones, like some bows. One thing at a time, till one thing at a time. Okay, so that is next vlog. Until then, I'm gonna have it chilling in my computer chair. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm sorry if it was all over the place. Please, my website is reallycuteco.com for anyone that may not know. Go to my website, you can sign up for the email alerts, and you'll get a 15% off coupon. And I will get more fluid with these vlogs, just like I've been fluid on all the other social medias. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if TikTok is unbanned. And I will talk to you all in my next vlog, or next Sunday.